Good morning. This is your weather forecast for Wednesday, the 31st. The current condition is cloudy skies. Temperature 65 degrees. The winds are north-northeast at 7. Sunrise is at 6:18 a.m. Visibility up to 9 miles. Today's forecast is going to be sun and clouds mixed. Highs around 77. It's going to be around 30% chance of afternoon thunderstorms. The wind is going to be out of northeast at 8, gust to 15. The UV rays going to be around 6. Thank y'all for watching. This has been your Blackmon Forecast, and have a good day and a safe day.